Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rajesh and I welcome you in this video lecture. And in this video lecture, we are required to find F7 uh, when this data is given, and we have to determine this by using Newton divided difference formula. It is mentioned. If he would have not mentioned here that use Newton divided difference formula, then how could we just inference from here that we have to use Newton divided difference formula. Look over here. First argument is 3, next argument is 5, 8, 9, 12. Now see whether they are equally spaced. Difference is 2, difference is 3, difference is 1, 12 minus 9 is 3. So these arguments are unequally spaced. So if they are unequally spaced, that means that we cannot use Newton forward and Newton backward interpolation formula. We have to use the interpolation formula for unequal intervals, that is Newton divided difference formula. As of now we have studied Newton divided difference only, so that is why I am talking about Newton divided difference. Now we will be using Newton divided difference formula, and for the same I will be making table. So the table will be formed like so. Here is the table, and now I have written the values of argument 3 and left 2. You will also in your copy you will left 2 lines blank, 2 boxes I have left blank, and you will also leave it blank. Then written 5, then again left 2. While in case of table, forward difference table in Newton's and Newton forward and Newton backward interpolation, we have left only 1 box blank. Now we are leaving 2 boxes blank. I am intentionally doing it, and you will also do something like that. In your copies you will leave 2 lines blank, 1 line, 2 line, and then we'll write 5. Again you will leave 2 lines blank, 1, 2, and then we'll write over here 1, 2, and then write here 1, 2, then we'll write here. So, and these are the value of the function. At f of 3 it is 24, 120, f of 8 504, f of 9 720, f of 12 17, 16. So now we'll find the first order divided difference column. So you will write it over here, f of x. So you will write here firstly difference of the function, that is 124 minus it's 120 minus 24 divided by the difference of the arguments, and difference of the arguments is 5 minus 3. So whenever you will be dividing 120 minus 24 by 2, you will get 48. Okay, now there is some problem because this 48 I have to write over the line. So I have to remove this line. I will need to remove this line and this partition between these two cells. Similarly this one, because the divided difference of this and this will be written over here, this one and this one. So I am going to remove these lines. So here I have removed the line. So now I will write 120 minus, it will be 120 minus 24 divided by 5 minus 3, which come out to be 48. Similarly 504 minus 120 divided by 8 minus 5. This comes out to be 128. Now next is 720 minus 504 divided by 9 minus 8. And this comes out to be 216. You can easily calculate them. Next will be 1716 minus 720 divided by arguments difference 12 minus 9. So this will be 3, 3, 2. So now this and this will be written between these two lines. It is very much clear. So it will be written here, and this will be written over here, and this will be written over here. So I am going to remove this line also, and firstly I am going to mark it as the second order divided difference column. So I am going to remove these lines because this and this in between is this one. So they remove this line. Now look it over here between this line, because it is exactly here and here. We have these two lines extra. So I am going to remove them, and between this and this we have these two lines extra. I am going to remove them. Between this and this we have these two lines extra, so I am going to remove them. So I have removed the lines between this and this, removed exactly horizontal, this one in line, removed this one, removed. Now I am going to write the second order divided difference column. 128 minus 48, it will be 128 minus 48 divided by 3, leave 1, 3, 8. So difference is 8 minus 3. This will come out to be 16. Now next is 216 minus 128 divided by, now leave this 3, start from 5 because it is second, 5, leave 1, 8, 9. So it will be 9 and 5. So this will be 9 minus 5. This will come out to be 22. Now this will be 332 minus 216 divided by, now leave this 5 also, 8, leave 1, 9, 12, start from 8, leave 9, so it will be 12. So it will be 12 minus 8. This comes out to be 29. Now we'll take this difference. This is difference. Okay, and this difference will be written somewhere in between them over here. So I am going to make remove this line, and this difference will be written somewhere here. So I am going to remove these two lines. Fine. So let me remove these two lines, and let me remove these two lines. Now I have removed the lines. Now I will write 22 minus 16 divided by, start from 3. It is a third order. So I am going to write it as third order divided difference. Fine. It will be 22 minus 16, obviously. Third order means starting from, it will be involving 4 arguments. Like third order means x0, x1, x2, x3. So starting from x0, leave 2 blank, and last one will be this one. So starting from here, leave 2 blanks, 5, 8 is left, so 9 minus 3. So this will come out to be, it will come out to be 1 Similarly, 29 minus 22. Now 3 leave 3 left behind, and now start from 5, leave 2, 8 and 9 is left. So it will be 12 minus 5. So this will be 12 minus 5. So this will be 1. Now we will write fourth order divided difference. So it will be written in between this. You just need 2 lines to write it. So I think if I assume it as these horizontal row, I can remove these 2 lines. Okay, so I am going to remove these 2 lines. Now I have to write in between. So I am going to remove the line in between. So if I assume I have to write it in between this portion, so I am going to remove only this one line. So I will write 1 minus 1. So it is fourth. So leave now 3. Start from 3, leave 3 values in between. 5, 8 and 9 are left. It will be 12. So it will be 12 minus 3. 0 by anything is 0. So now we have completed the Newton divided difference table. Now we will use the Newton divided difference formula, and we know that by Newton divided difference formula, you know f of x, you know this thing is x naught, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, and this thing is x4. So now I will be using, so this value will be f of x naught. So we know by Newton divided difference formula, this is f of x naught plus x minus x naught. I will be going up to x4 only. Okay, that is why I have written this notation. First order divided difference, and below you will write x1 plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, f of x naught, and here x1 comma x2 plus, and I have table up to this fourth order divided difference. So let me see what can be done. X minus x naught, x minus x1, and one more x minus x2, f of x naught, and it will be x1, x2, x3 plus it will be x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2 into x minus x3 divided difference of fourth order, x1, x2, x3, x4. Now since the table was up to fourth order divided and table has been completed, so we have written up to fourth order only. Now we'll substitute the value. This f of x naught has the value second order, it is 16, first order it is 48, and f of x naught here f of x naught is 24. So you should give attention. F of x naught is 24, it is 48, and this is 16. So now we'll find this as third order and 0 as fourth order, and x naught is 3. So I am going to substitute all these values. So we'll get, so I am going to substitute the values. We'll get f of x naught is 24 plus x minus x naught is 3, 48 plus x minus 3 x minus 5, and this will be 16 x minus 3 x minus 5 x minus 8. Okay, and it will be first is 1 plus x minus 3 x minus 5 x minus 8 and x minus 9 into 0. So this will yield f of x is equal to 24 plus x minus 3 into 48 plus x minus 3 x minus 5 into 16 plus x minus 3 x minus 5 x minus 8 plus x minus 3. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So I am going to make it as 0. 0. So this we have. So if we are required to determine the polynomial, then we can easily multiply and just collect the same degree terms and we'll write the polynomial. But we are not asked to find polynomial. We are asked to find f of 7. So in place of x you will write 7. So it will be 7 minus 3 into 48. And if you are asked to find polynomial, then instead of putting x equal to 7, you will solve this and write the polynomial. So that will be done. But now we are asked to find f7. So why to calculate the polynomial when he has not asked for the polynomial? So simply put, immediately put, I could solve it. But what is the use of solving if we are asked to find f7? So I am directly going to put the value of 7, value of x as 7. So it will be 7 minus 3, 7 minus 5 into 16. It will be 7 minus 3, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 8. This will be 24 and it will be 4 into 48 plus 4 into 2 into 16. It will be 4 into 2 into minus 1. So this will be 24. This will be 2, 192, and this will be 8, and multiplied with it will be 128 and minus 8. So this when solved will give 336. So value of f7 is nothing but equal to 336. So that was required to prove. So in this question we were required to find the value of f7. So this is the value of f7 that we required. What is that? The value is 336. So if we in this question, same question, if it is asked that find the polynomial fx, then how will you do? Instead of f7 it is right find polynomial fx. Then how will you do? You will adopt the same procedure and you will write up to here, and now you will not substitute and you will just open up the brackets, collect the terms and you will write the polynomial. That will be done. So I think I am clear up to here, and that is all I have from this lecture. And if you like the lecture, please like, subscribe, share and comment. This is Dr. Rajesh saying goodbye, take care, bye bye and see you soon.